Do you want to know how you can log in to your My OUAC account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Want to Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. This video I'm going to teach you how you can log into your My OUAC account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and go to the Google search bar to search for OUAC login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen, which is the official login portal of Ontario University's Application Centre. After you click on the login, you can see that this is the portal. Go ahead and write down your OUAC username and the password associated with your account. After you write down your username and password, go ahead and click login. This way you can log in to your OUAC account. You can click on recover username if you have forgotten your username, and if you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you. If you still don't have OUAC account, go ahead and click create my account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Ontario University's Application Centre account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.